Hey y'all, so today I will clean the KDSS accumulator, which is under the driver's side. This is very important, very crucial for the longevity of your KDSS system. Okay, this is the driver's side, so go down. This is the one. Okay, it has 2 poles. This is the 2 poles that we need to take it out. So we will take 12 mil. Now the bolt is out, so you have, it's kind of small base. Just try to take it out slowly, and that's it. This is my skid plate from inside. This is the heart of your KDS system. Something very important. This is the main valve where you can pressurize the system. Please don't touch it. Don't try to turn it right or left. Please try to avoid that. As you see, mine is pretty dirty, and imagine it's only one off-road trip. Imagine yours if you are not doing that maintenance. So the whole idea is just to clean all the dirt. I'm not doing it directly after each road trip. I'm always doing it after 2 days while the mud getting dry, so it's much easier to take off. Of course, I'm using a kind of like a wire brush, or sometimes any kind of soft brush. I didn't use the toothbrush, honestly. It's really effective in some areas, but I'm trying to take your time just to clean all those stuff. Of course, I'm not able to do it on camera here because it's really taking time, not because of the work, but it's really like in hard angles. As you see here, you need to go through all those areas, all those corners. Okay, so I did my best to clean. Yeah, I don't know, I don't have water right now. I'm outside, so however, this is the main idea of just taking everything. Not sure, I will ask Toyota if I need to just like have like lubricant or any kind of oily thing to add it here, but honestly I don't want to do that. Even it's not mentioned in the manual. It's just like I'm improvising, but again, it's just someone who told me about it. He told me that you have to clean this area because the salt mud will really affect all those valves, because those are the pipes, right? Because the KDSS, it's a passive system, which is, it works by itself through running the oil through this pipes, and of course those are the pressure valves that control the whole thing. Yeah, you need really to take care of that one. You don't need really to make it clean, you will not see it, but you need to make them just clear from that mud that will like encourage the rust, encourage the corrosion. Just to try to avoid all that. So how we put it back after cleaning? So easy, just make sure stay from inside. So you see those pins? It's just like the skid plates that needs to be set on it. As soon as there, just align the bolts. Just to try first hand tight those bolts. Never torque them immediately. Even doesn't need any torque. Just make sure they are in the place. Yeah, just enough. Yep, not going anywhere.